Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add a watermark to your videos, or to create a watermark for your YouTube videos so no one can steal them, or even if they did, your name will still be on these videos. So let's get started and open Photoshop and click on File and New. Let's make sure that you are selecting the size of your videos. So for example, the custom or the normal size of any YouTube video is 1920 1080, so let's go for it. And now we have to make a watermark look kind of like a text or an image, so it depends on you. For me, I'm gonna use like a text. Let's name it watermark, and let's make the text on this font. And for example, it depends on you, where do you want to put this watermark. For example, if you want to put it here, or even if you want to make it on the whole video, you can make it something like that, wherever you want. So now the watermark is still looking so much like a text, not really a watermark. How can you make it look less transparent? First of all, let's click on this twice and let's try to change the color. Let's make it gradient. Let's make it from white to gray. Like that looks good. And from here, let's add again inner glow. Let's make it black, and let's add opacity. Let's remove the noise. Let's make it something like that. And as you can see, here's the result. Let's add some size, show a little bit, and just like that we have the effects looking good. We can add a drop shadow, but I don't suggest that. Now let's make it transparent by just clicking on opacity and reducing this text. So for example, it looks now less it doesn't look that much of a text. You can't really see it, but if you put it on your videos, you will be able to see it. Now, how can you save this image as like a PNG form? You can click on here, file, and then go ahead and click on save as, or you can click on Ctrl Alt Shift S, and this window will pop up. You can choose the PNG form, make it the best quality, and then click on save and done, and it will be saved. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next videos. See ya guys.